Yes, to worry. We're just gonna do some door work before we get going on a trail or a hike. I got some funky shoes for walking in muck. I'm gonna test out since I ruined my other ones. They're really stinky now because they're leather or nubuck. So hopefully these will last longer. Anyways, I always get the dogs' leashes on in the car, leave them in the car, open up the door. Oh yeah! Yes, good boy. Yes. Yes, good boy. Good. Daisy banana. Oh, you get a treat too. And a big one. Okay. Yes, good boy. Okay means come out of the car, but stick close to me. Well done. That means they can do whatever they want. And I go to the back of the door. Days, this way. You can go over here. There you go. Yes, go. Go sniff. I'll meet you there in a minute. There's Kiki Boo. Good boy. Taki Doo. Can't see him. Yes. Yes. Good boy, Kiwi. Oh, yeah. Way to go. Okay. Whips around. Sits. Good boy. Kicken. Kennel. So we just... Oh, yeah. What a good boy, honey. Yes. Play some door games. Okay. Nice. Oh, good boy. Ooh, there's a car coming. Kicken. Car coming means we all sit. Daisy, sit. We sit. We chill out. George is down below, so he's fine. He's like rushing around in there. Yes, good boy. Car comes. So we sit. I dole out treats. Because there is going to be a chance, there is going to be a time where they're off leash. Stars, yes, yes, good girl. You looked at the car. Yes, good girl. Good show me. Good girl, good boy. I have no treats left. What a good girl. Go play. So then I'll send them into the woods. That'll be the reward for sticking close. Hey, you're a superstar. I love you, Daisy. Okay, we'll get at her. George is in there already having fun. You can only hear him. His little bell. Ooh. So beautiful. And mucky. They're going to have so much fun. Oh wow, crab! Our first dead crab on the beach. Ooh, Daisy. Careful. It's not dead. Good girl! Yes, you can sniff it. Just don't tear it apart. What a good boy. Yes, good girl, Daisy. Sniffing's better than eating. Keegan, go sniff. Oh, good boy, Georgie. Yes. Now I'll move away. What a good boy, George. That's a big piece for you. Keegan, go sniff. Yes, good boy. Good girl, Daisy. Yeah, they don't need to be eating dead crabs, so if I make a game out of it, they're less likely to chomp on it. Hey, because crabs are just for sniffing, not for eating. Yes. Go sniff, sniff. Yes, good boy. Okay, let's see if he'll automatically look up. Sniff. Yes. Good boy, George is little. Daisy, sniff. Sniff. Yes, good girl. Daisy does automatically. George. Yes, what a good boy. You need a little help though. He likes that crab. Okay, let's go. See what else we can find. ducks or geese. And water. And my shoes are awesome. No stubbing toes. Can walk in water. Nice and cool. Daisy too. Let's see if George... Let's go, Georgie! He's a little afraid of water. Mind you. Let's go, Bobs! Not so deep. He'll walk through. Sometimes on a hot day, he'll bite the bullet and walk in instead. Yes, good boy! Yes, what a good boy! Little by little. Yes, good boy! Wow, Georgie! Woo! Getting into some like quicksand stuff. Good boy! Here, take it. Wow, that's a big accomplishment for you. Good boy. Okay, we're just gonna do some more door work. We're just hanging out, going for a walk, and then come back to the car. So we do door work and car work if a car comes. Then these guys, I say car, and then here, and they come right racing to me, and then we have door treats. Okay, Keegan, kennel. Good boy. Back it up. Nice. Good boy. Daisy, you want to go in the kennel too? Daisy kennel. Okay, Keegan just released himself. Not good. Daisy, back it up. Yes, good girl. Keegan, kennel. Yes. Good boy. Awesome. There you go. There's some people in the distance. What a good boy, Georgie. Hey? Nice and quiet. Good boy, Takey. Daisy banana. Back it up. All the way. Yes, good girl. Okay. Okay, let's go on a hike. Another one. Daisy, let's go. Okay. Good girl. This time we'll go on a hike for a reward. Let's see. Check it out.